Yeah. Center line train tracks. Elevation. RTK. Woohoo! Surveying is fun. See the world, they said. Learn lots of things. Yeah. I'm doing the exact same thing I did when I was a kid, walking on the freaking railroad track. No caboose. This time in life sucks. Alright, well, here's what it looks like inside. I'm gonna flip this thing around. Alright, we got the weed sling. We got the security forces there. They're not doing too hot. They did bark on something out there in the woods a while ago. But we cleared all this area down in here. I got one little spot right in the middle. Got my beds done here. And show you what I do. I let all that stuff grow up, and then this time of year I come chop it up, and usually I would burn it, but it's got a lot of good stuff in it this year. So what I do is I made this raised bed, and I take all this stuff here, I put in there and put dirt and then stuff and then dirt and stuff. So it's building up layers, and then I'm gonna take more dirt and put in there, and it'll wind up being to about that land right there. But you can do it. Nothing to it. Just takes a little time. Got a big pile over there of stuff. And this rise right here, I don't know if y'all see it. Let me show you. All that area right in there, about 2.5, 3 foot by a 12-foot circle. That is all bags of goat poop. There you can see one of the bags right there. That is all goat poop stuff out of the feed lot. Good black dirt. I take that stuff and then I go down here and I put it in them rows, right in the edge of them rows. And then when I plant on top of them, cover it up, and then when I plant on top of them, you wind up with some good looking dirt. And it'll feed that year plants. And you don't have to sow a whole bunch of it in there. But so that's just some old second tin and some T-posts. Drive them in and then fill that sucker up. I gotta get back to work. Yeah, there it is. That's how you do it. Earth pancake. Raised bed, dirt, mulch, dirt, mulch, and we'll put that on top of it. You can see where it is. That's just a regular R panel with some T-posts holding it up. It's about hand high. It means that you'll be picking right in here. Alright, well, it's a good day. Got a lot done. Big raised bed. Compost cake, layered cake. Well, here comes the sleet and rain. I got everything, got the whole garden cleared off before this came, and I got the bed finished, except the ends put on it. Leave the end off of it so you can walk up in there and do what you gotta do and you pack it down. All right, it's raining. I gotta get out of here before my camera gets wet.